are starting with 1C30 Trias food, the combination of creative design and innovative lightweight. It is very good for actually grade 3 and 4, you can say, and it's helping. The lightweight of the prosthetic is excellent for people have like better control on their gait. And in this prosthetic, if you need to have a foot shell, you need to go for article 2C3, which is the foot shell for Trias foot. The second foot is 1C40 C-walk, and in the C-walk you can see that the foot was made from separate spring elements, which is helping, like all made from carbon, which has better combination and it is harmonic moving in uneven surfaces, which is helping excellent gait. Food which we can now explain to you, it is 1E56. It is X-strand, and this is very compact and very lightweight. It is low clearance, limited space needed for that. And in case you need the foot shell, you can go for 2C5. It is for the foot shell, the cosmetic foot shell from the same foot. The next foot is 1C60 3-ton. The 3-ton actually, this is almost, you can say it is a sport foot. The forefoot and the heel is made from flexible carbon, which is helping to adapt for different surfaces to be able to walk nicely. For the grade 3 and 4 can be used this prosthetic foot, and the sizes from 21 to 24, it is maximum to 100 kg, and 25 to 30 it is maximum to 150 kg. And when you are going to separate order foot shell, 2C6 is the foot shell for that one. In case you are going for next foot, 1C61 3-ton vertical shock, this is one sport foot, and this actually vertical results in the better adaptation, helping for better adaptation in uneven surfaces. And this is why this is very good for a sport, which the forces is vertical and torsional forces are happening in the sport. This is better for deciding to go for this prosthetic foot when you are active person. Another foot, this is 1C62 3-ton harmony. This is combination of the full carbon foot and the harmony system, which is actually this combination, it is the harmony P3 technology pump, which is like for greater vacuum. 1C63 3-ton low profile, it is actually very ideal to use with the combination with sea-leg and genuine foot, and it has especially a smooth rollover. It's good for the grade 3 and 4. It is like, you have to know it, the sizes is coming up to 150 kg can be used for that one, and the maximum weight which can be taken, it is for 150. And another one is this 1C64 3-ton heavy duty. It is also very good for the people which has the weight of maximum 150 kg, and this is for the grade 3 and 4, very good for the grade activity of 3 and 4. And the sizes 21 to 24, it is maximum 100 kg, and from size 25 to 30, it is maximum 250 kg is carrying the weight with this prosthetic foot. You have to know that it is when you are actually going for the prosthetic foot and with the carbon, you must know exactly what is the aim you are looking for it. And also the selection of the food, it is very important to know that the color and this is cosmetic shell, which one you choose, this is very important to order it correctly. And 1E58 Exxon DP is another carbon food which we can use it. It is, again, you have to know it exactly for which purposes you are using it. It is coming also in the food shell, it is coming in different colors, in beige, which is the code number 4, and there's the brown, code number 15, which you can use it for it. It is good for sport, as a sport food. And the food actually advantage DP2, it is 1E50 and 1E51. It is also another food which is for grade 3 and 4, can be used for mobility grade 3 and 4. And for that reason it's also coming different in 2 different colors, the same as I mentioned earlier, beige for code 4, and another one is actually light brown in 15. In that one, it is important to know that which adapter to be used and which clamp adapter to be used, which tube adapter to be used, which connection cap, all you need to know about it, and separately has to be one by one ordered, otherwise this will not fit together. And for this reason, it is you have to take care for nicely to look at the actually all article numbers to be mentioned one by one. Another food we will talk about it. It is actually for the food. This is 1E80, 1E81, 1E82, which is chopard food plate. It is like also it is coming very low clearance when you have it for the foot amputation, partial foot amputation, or when you have same prosthetic when you want to do it. But in this one, it is important to know that you need to have the glue and the combination for fixing the foot under the distal part of the socket. You need to order also the special glue, which has to be ordered separately, because you will not have it actually or sent to you together with the shipment. This is very important about that. And the grade activity, it is also 3 and 4. The glue which you need to order it also, you can find it in the catalog. And the next food, this is 1C20 Pro Sam. It is excellent food. I have used it many times and very happy with that. 1E57 Low Rider. This is also for the same purposes, but in this one we need to think about the socket adapter, which has to be ordered separately.